true. Cause I wanna touch you, baby. I wanna feel you too. I wanna see the sunrise and your sins just me and you.
Hello, this is Winnie from CNC, and this is our dolls. Here, follow me. You can see our booth in Guangzhou for the CBD fair. Today we have the booth area is 450 square meter. We have take our latest machine model, the milling and cutting center here. Let's show you. This is our latest model of the milling and cutting center. Here you can see this is the new technology of the magnetic limited feeding system. The speed could be 200 meters per minute. And for all the profile, each parameter, the clamping could automatically detect the parameters, then go into the milling and cutting center. The milling center have 4 spindles, so that means all the holes could be milling inside. And the cutting, we have 3 saw blades, 45 degree and 90 degree, cut with the aluminum profile, and also the automatic output. So the process is go through the labeling machine, then go through the automatic scanning machine. Then it will go to the next production line. Here is the end milling machine with the robotic loading and unloading system. So the QR code goes through the scanning system. It will automatically know if this profile needs to be end milling or not. You can see this is the robot automatic loading and unloading system to put the milling into the end milling center. Then the process will automatically running up to the different profile parameters. After the end milling, it will automatically go to the next station. It's the buffer station. The buffer station will collect all the profiles of each window and match them together, and let whole window automatically out from the buffer station. Then the worker will know which profile will be in one window, so that no fails of the window match.
Like a jacket, so be yourself. We will go down the rapid.
Here is the manually corner adapter installation. You can see our college put the corner into the profile, then put it into square. After this step, it will put the window on the clamping machine, and the clamping machine will automatically clamping it. Then the window is finished. For the automatic clamping machine, you only need to put the window on the conveyor. It will automatically move into the 4-corner clamping station. Then And here you can see the 4 corner is clamped in one time. automatic machine solved the problem of the hard work of the manual. So for the whole line, you only need 5 or 3 people to operate, and the labor cost will be lower.